this new video by MrIntegrator.com. Today we are going to see the main features of the NSPanel Pro from SONOFF. I have two models here from NSPanel 86PV and PW. The PV is for the black color, and you can see this inside here, and the W is for the white color. The new product has a lot of useful features. It has a built-in Zigbee hub. It is based on the Zigbee 3 version, and so you can communicate with most of the known brands in the market and add the devices into the panel and communicate with each other and use it in your mobile phone. Also, it can be added to the evening application. Also, you can see live cameras inside the panel. You can use it for your cameras in the DIY mode, or just add the cameras from the SONOFF brand. Also, it can be used as a security center for your smart home. In this mode, you can easily use it to add the security sensors, different motion and magnets, and also door contacts, also the other sensors needed into this, and you can easily manage the security modes inside the buildings. And it works with Google Home and Alexa for voice control or other functions that you want to integrate. Let's see inside the box. You can see the data sheet. The wiring is very easy. It is just needs the main powers on the back with connection to the neutral and phase wires, and this is the white color, and also you can see the black color installed here. And on the back of the device you can see the ports protected by a cover. This cover protection is to prevent touching the screws, and you can see if you open the screws you can easily connect the neutral and phase wires and power up the device. For the installation, it is very easy to remove the frame on the back of the device, and using this frame you can just install the device on the wall frame, and using the screws inside the box. Here you can see the screws are included in the box, and you can connect the device on your installation, and then again easily you can fix it by putting the port and matching this together, and install the device inside your installation. And the good news is that if you want to have a installation on the desk such like this, you have two choices for the enclosure stands in the colors of white and black. It supports the standard models from NSPanel Pro, NSPanel EU, and NSPanel USW. The W stands again for the white color, and the B stands for the black color. And it is very easy to use the stand. You can just connect the wires from the back of the panel. You can see here. Okay, we have the screws needed to install the device again here, and you can use your main power from the back of the stand here, and then install the device on this by removing the cover and fixing the screw. It has a great shape, and you can just use it on your desktop and benefit from the features more easily if it is needed in your installation. And the device easily can be connected to the Wi-Fi network, and then by scanning the QR code from the Evelink app you can see the main features and set up the device. In another video, we will see the main features of the device in a detailed discussion. Thank you for watching this video. It was just for introducing the main features of the NSPanel Pro.